This is Establishing Credit by Brandon Stahl. What is credit? Credit is a trust which allows one party to lend money or services to another party with the promise that the second party will pay back at a future date. This trust in the matter is called credit score. There are multiple types of credit. The most common type of credit is called revolving credit. Revolving credit is a maximum borrowing limit, and there must be a minimum payment repaid at the end of the month. Credit cards are revolving credit. Charge cards are the same as revolving credit. However, you must pay the full amount back at the end of the month. Service credit are internet providers, phone companies, electrical utilities, and more. They provide these services to you with the agreement that you will pay them after. And installment credit is a loan agreed to be paid back with interest and fees. Three of the best ways to build credit is to obtain a secured credit card, obtain a credit builder loan, and keeping credit utilization low. A secured credit card requires a deposit, and that deposit is equal to the credit card limit. If you're unable to pay the credit card back on time, the deposit money will be used to pay it so your credit score isn't ruined. A credit builder loan is exactly what it sounds like. It is a loan that you can pay off that will establish credit for you. Keeping credit card utilization low is also extremely helpful. If your limit is $1,000 a month and you only use $300, that improves your credit score because you are not using the full amount each month. Some simple but effective ways of building credit is obviously to pay credit cards on time and being consistent. Finally, credit scores are determined on a range from 300 to 850. Anywhere from 300 to 669 is poor to okay credit, and anywhere from 670 to 850 is good credit to excellent credit. You need good credit or better to receive loans and credit cards. With bad credit, you are very unlikely to get either a loan or a credit card. People with a bad credit score and debt have a couple of options. They can search for programs to help with their debt and or their credit score. If no other options appear, they can file for bankruptcy. These are my sources.